Hey Grant Cousins, today we have an amazing $10,000 grant for you. Keep watching to learn how you can get a piece of the pie right after this intro.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Today we're talking about the Entrepreneurial Spirit Fund by SIA Scotch Grant for Entrepreneurs and Small Businesses. 11 recipients will receive a $10,000 grant plus mentorship with the founder of SIA Scotch Whisky and a first-generation Cuban American who overcome a myriad of challenges during her entrepreneurship journey. This application did open on August 1st and the deadline is August 26th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. On November 1st, grant winners will be announced, and on November 28th, the grant winners will receive their funds. In order to qualify for this grant, your business must be the following. Your business must be owned 51% by persons of color. Your business must be a for-profit business producing less than $5 million in annual revenue. Your business must operate in or conduct business in at least one of the following states: California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New Jersey, Nevada, New York, Rhode Island, and or Texas. Your business must not be an alcohol beverage retail license holder, such as a bar, a restaurant, hotel, or store which sells or serves alcohol, or a business which makes alcohol. Now, if you are applying as an individual and not a business, then you must meet the following. You must be a citizen or legal permanent resident of the United States. You must be at least 25 years of age or older as of November 1st, 2022. You must be an entrepreneur who is the leading executive, for example, the founder and our president or a CEO or a CFO or a COO or any such other similar title of a business that meets the below business criteria. You must be the owner or an individual who is legally authorized to bind the business for purposes of participation in the program. You must not have ownership interest in or be invested in alcohol beverages retail license holder, such as business or establishments which owns a license to make, sell, or serve alcohol. You must not be an employee of a retail license holder, such as a bartender or waiter. Now, the following businesses cannot qualify for this grant: a charity or a nonprofit organization, a political fundraising organization, a business that is offering medical, health, dental, or physical wellness products or services, or any products claiming to diagnose, cure, or treat, or prevent an illness or conditions. Businesses that have a retail or a wholesale liquor, wine, flavored malt beverages or beer licenses. Businesses that are offering energy food in our drinks. Businesses that are offering children's maternity products or services. And businesses that are offering financial, money processing, or credit services. Financial intermediaries or cash equivalent instruments, travel services, and so forth. The grant winners will receive a $10,000 unrestricted grant to be used for the benefit of the grant recipient business. Each grant may receive a recognition on the Hello Alice or in our partners platform. Each grant is awarded as is with no warranty or guarantee, either expressed or implied by sponsor. Each grant recipient is responsible for all applicable federal, state, and local taxes, if any, as well as other costs and expenses associated with grant acceptance and use not specific in these terms and conditions. In addition, grant winners will have access to one-on-one virtual mentorship with the founder of SIA in one group mentorship session with other grant recipients. Now, if you do not qualify for any of these grants, please share this video with someone who does. I'm currently working on presenting more grants for all of my viewers, so make sure to subscribe and find out the latest. And also make sure to go to designersoapbox.com/grants to find more available grants for you. If you don't qualify for this one, there may be some grants that you could apply for at designersoapbox/grants. So make sure you go there to check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.